Is that done? Just a second. Remember that these are all uploaded to the website, so you can just print them out. Okay? Okay, we all done? Andrew, you done? Okay. So this is the first example in the book. I just copied it out of the book. Right? The fact is, it takes 2 points, any 2 points. Right? It doesn't matter which 2 points. And what we'll find is a lot of times in this book, at the beginning of the chapter, when we're just trying to understand what the function is like, we'll make a table of values and just graph by plotting points to see whether we can tell what the shape of that kind of function is. So this here is a table of values, right? Table of values. And we will use tables of values. And honestly, it's probably got more information than we usually put it in. They're showing the calculation that goes between the x value and the y value. Normally, you would just see this. It would just say xy. And here's -3, +3, y is 1, and 5. And you wouldn't show the calculation in the middle. Now, the question that we get most of the time is, okay, where do those x values come from? Right? Remember, x is the independent variable. Because it's solved for y equals 2/3 x plus 3. Since it's solved for y, x is the independent variable. You plug in a number, and then you calculate the y. So y depends on what you plug in for x. You can plug in anything. As long as it's in the domain, you can plug it in and calculate. So where do these come from? They could have been any 2 points. They just chose those 2 points, right? You pick. Now, considering the equation that we're dealing with, why might they have used -3 and +3? Yeah, because you're going to plug x in here, and there's a denominator of 3, right? So that'll cancel the denominator. So they're just saying, look, I know I need 2 points. I might as well make my calculation easier. I mean, what other number might you have plugged in that would have made calculations even easier? Yeah, how about 0? But they didn't. They picked -3 and 3. Just understand why they did that. So they plugged in those for easy calculations. They got these. So the points are -3, 1, and 3, 5. -3, 1, 3, 5. Draw a line. Right? So you only need 2 points. That's the line. Okay?